Hi, my name is Chloe. I always spend time with my parents. I love them so much. I am in my mom's closet right now, and I love my mom's closet. It's so big. Here's one of her shoes. So, I'm going to do right now is video cam me. It turned that way. Uh-oh, I gotta turn it over here. Now, you see me over here? Well, I'm behind this beautiful building. And here is coming my clothes. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.